Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to the channel. Little rough start today. We had a Prodigy Jeep meet last night. Didn't get home till about midnight. A little tired. Anyway, on this hotter than hell Sunday, we are going to be trying to clean Mama Beast soft top windows. This product that we're going to be using, I seen on the internet, seemed to work on not as bad windows, so we are putting it to the test today. The product we are using is the NOVUS, I think it's pronounced. Comes in, you have 3 bottles. It's 1, 2, and 3. I'll show you the other ones. This is 1, like the cleaner, and then 2 fine scratch remover, and then the heavy scratch remover. All right, so I'm back. We just had a crisis. Caden finally rolled his Jeep for the first time. Pretty interesting. Anyway, so yeah, we have those products. So the first thing we're gonna do is we are gonna use the #1 bottle and just clean the surface, get a nice clean surface so we could start polishing it and hopefully rejuvenating the windows so we don't have to buy new ones. So let's get that started. As you can probably see, if you guys follow us on Instagram, you could probably, let me lower the camera a little bit. You could probably see something right around there. We might have done a few upgrades in this past week. That's why we are trying not to spend money on new windows, because we just unloaded several $1,000s on stereo systems. We found this awesome guy in Naples, an installer. I call him the wizard. His wiring is insane. So we will be doing a video on that. He has a few fine touches. That's why we're doing this one first and not the system. The system's not actually done yet. They're working, they sound amazing. He's just finalizing a few pieces cosmetically. So before we do that video, we want to finalize that, and we're gonna do an interview with him where he's gonna talk about Papa Beast and Mama Beast, the differences between both. Some was easier, some was more difficult. So make sure you subscribe so you know when that video drops. It's gonna be probably on the longer side because we have 2 Jeeps to go through, but it's gonna be really, really, really good. These systems are insane. And for the money, I don't think you're gonna be able to beat it. Anyway, let's get started and see if we could rehab these friggin' windows. And we're just using, sorry, you're gonna hear Caden driving his Jeep. We're just using typical microfibers that we just collected over the years from AutoZone, Sam's Club. We clean these. We put them in the washer and dryer, so they are clean. Bud, did you just break your Jeep? I think you just broke your Jeep. No? I don't think the front tire's supposed to go like that, bud. Bud, I think you broke your axle. Is it broken? You don't think so? Pull it out of there. All right. Get out of the ditch. Yeah, get out of the ditch, bud. Huh? Get it out of the ditch. No, other way's probably easier, bud. Other way? It's probably easier. Instead of going uphill, downhill's probably a little easier. Do it, come on. I don't know what his deal is. I'm sure it's broken. Well, I think it's broken. All right, so now that we cleaned the back one, I'm just gonna do one at a time. So I'll do the biggest one. But she can't even see out of it. But we cleaned it. So now we're gonna go to the number 3, which is the heavy scratch remover. And we might have to do it several times to get scratches out and try to clean it up, because there's a lot of hazing, a lot of stuff like that. I don't know if you guys can see it. Take off the glasses. Like down right here. Right here is, I don't even know if that's gonna be able to come out, to be honest. This is all hazed over. She can't even see out of it when she's going down the road. So, you know, instead of spending, I don't even look at prices yet, but instead of spending that money and getting replacements, we're gonna try this. So we're gonna do it a couple times, and hopefully it makes it better. But let's get with the 3 and do that a couple times, and we'll come back and see if it does anything. See if we can tell a difference. All right, the first one, I don't know. I don't have too much faith, but we're gonna keep going and see how it turns out.
Turn it on.
So we did about 3 times with the step 3 or the 3 bottle. It's I mean, we are noticing a difference. There's some damage to the windows that is not repairable by just buffing it out. So but Mari got in there and she was able to notice a difference, being able to actually see out her rear view mirror. So from this point, I mean, I could definitely see my striations of where I was buffing with the tool. They're fine scratches. So now we are going to step it up to the 2 bottle, which is a fine polish, and see if we could smooth it out a little bit more. Welp. We're all done. The product worked pretty good. I definitely can tell a difference. We did 3 of the stage 3, 3 of the stage 2, and then the stage 1 is just like a cleaner, and so I just cleaned it up a little bit. Did a couple, maybe 3 cleanings on it. It's definitely cleaner, and we could see out of it better, but there ain't no doubt about it. The window is damaged. There's some clear damage in it. Cleaning it like this, I could really start seeing how bad the damage is from the sun, and just to be frank, just not really taking care of it or knowing how to take care of it. We really didn't. This is our first Jeep that me and Mari had together, so we bought it brand new in 2016, and only until probably the last year or two that we really started pushing and getting into the Jeeping lifestyle and really kind of exponentially growing not only our YouTube channel, Instagram, social media, and just the people that we know and deal with every day. So I mean, it is what it is. This is the stock JK Sport top. We are going to be probably looking into a best top replacement. Don't know which way we're going to go yet. At this point, nothing in the near future unless something comes along. But the windows definitely need to be replaced. I haven't done the side ones yet, so they don't look like they're in that bad of condition as compared to the rear. The rear was really bad. The sides would probably do really good with this stuff. And again, we are using, let's see if I could just bring you down here, bring you down to level. So we are using the NOVUS 1, 2, and 3. I believe Maury bought this on Amazon, if I'm not mistaken. Let me bring you up here. I believe it was on Amazon. I don't know how much it cost. It was really, I can tell you, it's definitely cheaper than buying a new window. But I don't really know how much it cost. I think she got it on Amazon anyway. The ball, if anyone wanted to know, I had my drill, but I just ran down to the local AutoZone and just picked up one of this. This is a Mother's mini ball. I think there's bigger ones that they have, which would have been ideal, but this is the only one on the shelf. It worked. It's starting to actually come apart after messing with this, probably a dozen times, polishing the window a dozen times. So, I mean, it's only foam. I mean, whatever. It was, I believe, kind of expensive for, in my opinion, what it is. But like I said, it was the only one, and I'll tell you right now, it beats doing that by hand. So, I mean, all in all, I'm pretty happy with the product, the NOVUS products. Really wish that we took better care of these. Now that we pretty much know how. Actually, this one is actually for, not only does it clean, but it prevents fogging. It's anti-fog, anti-static, and a dust repellent. So this is a good product to just use frequently, like after cleaning or after washing your Jeep. Spray it on there, wipe it off, it conditions it. I mean, it's really nice. That's how you're supposed to take care of it. But you live and learn. Starting to find out my famous saying is it's only money. You can't you don't take it with you when you die. So that's gonna wrap us up for this video. Again, you can see right over here. That video will be dropping, I don't even know when. We're still waiting on a few things, so I don't have an ETA on that, but make sure you subscribe so you do know when it comes out. And just a little sneak peek, Mama Beast. She has a little bit more power behind her than Papa Beast does. For certain reasons we will address in the video. So appreciate you guys, and we'll see you out on the trail.